Hello friends, my name is Narendra and in this video I am coming with one of the tip which will help you to translation your documents. So with the help of this website you can convert your voice into text message. That can be in English, that can be in Nepali, that can be in Hindi. Okay, website name is dictation.io. Okay, it's an open source website, anyone can use this website. So now I need to click on launch dictation. As soon as I will click on launch dictation, here's the script. So like right now my default language is English. There are many another application languages. I clicked on this. Now as soon as I will click on start, it will be start saying. Okay, so let me click on start. Hello friends, my name is Naren and you see that I said hello friends, my name is Naren is here. Now I'm converting this into Hindi, in Hindi language. I'm selecting Hindi. Okay, these are here is Hindi. Okay, now again I'm click on start and I will say something. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नरेंद्र है. And you said, Namaskar, मेरा नाम नरेंद्र है. Yeah, it's correct. So you need to click on start and stop for this. You can click on save if you want to save this. So what I did, I'm copying this. I can copy this only with the help of Control C, and then I can open my notepad and I can paste this document. Okay, so this website will help you when we have something on paper and we need that into Word file. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked my video, please share this video as much as you can. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.